Today I'm reviewing the Farmacy 10% Waterless Vitamin C Serum. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time sponsor ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, so this was another Sephora sale. They're all coming out now. All the sale stuff I've been reviewing now, testing out. Okay, so they call us a 10% vitamin C serum that visibly brightens, targets dark spots, and reduces hyperpigmentation with a waterless formula that's gentle on skin. Okay, first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. I really like the packaging, and the entire packaging is fully recyclable. Does it have a little square? Usually I have a little square on it, but whatever. Okay. Just don't see the square, but whatever. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. The fragrance in it is barely noticeable. It does have kind of that vitamin C smell to it, but it does contain a few citrus extracts such as tangerine, bitter orange extract, and sweet orange peel. The tangerine peel has some published benefits for skin in terms of anti-aging and contains phenol compounds which help protect skin. The sweet orange contains methanol, which can be irritating to skin. So, of those three fragrance ingredients, one of them is actually good. The other two are really just there to cover up that vitamin C smell you get. The manufacturing location for this one is the U.S., so no issues with that. So, ease of use. So, it's waterless, so it's got a very hydrating finish to it. Probably because propanediol is the very first ingredient in here, but it does apply very shiny, which I don't love. It takes a while to absorb, and once it does, the shininess goes away a little bit, but not totally. So you're going to apply that. They recommend using it morning and evening. Don't do that. Just do it in the morning. Unless you are crazy about vitamin C and want to do it in the morning and evening, go for it. But really, if you can use your vitamin C once a day in the morning, that is going to be key, and it helps your sunscreen work better. So very shiny finish. It does start to absorb after a while, or sometimes I'll just apply my moisturizer over it, and that seems to help it soak in a little bit better. So I didn't like using this one as much as water-based vitamin C serums that soak in faster, but I did prefer this to like the silicone, thicker, waterless serums, which are really thick and pilly, and sometimes they feel kind of abrasive on skin. So I liked it better than those, but not as much as water formula vitamin C serum. Okay, talk about beneficial ingredients. I'm not going to pH test it because the first ingredient is not water, so you can't really test the pH of it. Okay, so the first two ingredients, propanediol, and then Pentylene glycol. Then we get to L-ascorbic acid, 10% vitamin C, most studied form of vitamin C, antioxidant, skin brightening, skin protecting. Typically works best between 5 and 20%. This one's 10%, so it's probably a little bit more friendly for sensitive skin or those newer to vitamin C than some of the 20% ones, which can be pretty strong. So the nice fact is that putting in a waterless formula fixes some of the stability and oxidization issues, and it will last a little bit longer than something that's just put in water. Okay, so we've got that. Then we get down to, let's see, Alpha-Arbutin, which is a good antioxidant, skin brightening ingredient, depigmenting agent. We've got Ferulic. By the way, I don't know why I depigment. I thought of pigs, and I just thought of those cute little pot-bellied pigs, how cute they are. I don't know. That's all that's going through my head. Little pot-bellied pigs and their little noses. Okay, we've got Betaine, sugar-derived beet-derived humectant. We've got ferulic acid, antioxidant, antimicrobial. Ferulic acid is a great ingredient. It can also help your vitamin C product work better. They found it also can help stabilize L-ascorbic acid as well. Okay, let's see. Ferulic acid, Alpha-Arbutin. There we go. So, not the most crazy exciting formula. It's a rather short ingredient list, but we've got the good stuff. We've got ascorbic acid, we've got ferulic acid, we've got a brightening ingredient, Alpha-Arbutin. So that's awesome. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. In terms of performance, so the texture of this made this a vitamin C serum that I'm more likely to use in the winter time when my skin tends to be on the drier side, because you can still see it's still pretty shiny on my skin. I found some moisturizers work well over this. Some of them foam up. Not all of them work just great. I found my SkinCeuticals serum works well over this. Or my Skin Fix moisturizer works better over this. Let's see. No acneogenic ingredients in this one, so that's really nice too. In terms of the price, so it's the full size, which is 30 milliliters, 1 ounce, and retails for $50, making it kind of a pricier vitamin C serum, although if you compare it to some other ones out there, it's really cheap. So, there you go. In terms of the it factor, I like it. It's very similar, though, to the ordinary 8% ascorbic acid and Alpha-Arbutin, which is $42 less. It's very similar. The texture is very similar for that one, and how long it takes to absorb, and the Waterless formula also. So, it's very similar, to be honest. If you're debating and you're on any kind of budget, I'd probably just go with the one from the ordinary. But anyway, okay, with the 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 7. I like it. I'll finish it. I won't repurchase it, but it's still a nice vitamin C serum that won't expire super fast. So that's always a nice thing. So anyway, interesting from you guys if you had a chance to check it out yet or not, and if you have, what your thoughts are. So love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.